I 110% regret my decision to cycle to work this morning. I got to say this, so, well, any man wearing leggings, it's questionable. However, you do feel incredibly athletic wearing them. If you'd have said 6 months ago, Ollie, do you like wearing leggings? I would have said, hell no. Quite like it now. Not that I'm going to be too far into cross-dressing. So working in the office building I do, there are quite a few other offices. And I find it so funny when some of the guys in there make like huge dinners, like something you would have for dinner or tea, they make it for lunch, like they use the oven, cooker and everything. Most people just get something quick and easy. Not them, full meal. Just got off for lunch, I'm heading out now because I need to find some accessories for something that's coming in tomorrow. It's a struggle finding them online. I'm hoping that a couple of shops have them. I thought my hands looked blue. 3 different camera shops, including the Apple shop. No, and the Apple shop, so four different shops. Not one of them has any idea when they're getting stock in. And when I say stock, I'm referring to the Mavic Pro, the new drone that's arriving tomorrow at my house. I ordered over a month ago now. The pre-orders have started shipping out and it's going to be arriving tomorrow. So I was trying to look for some accessories like another battery and a cover for the camera, but I can't get anything yet. But that does mean that tomorrow's episode is going to be it's going to be an unboxing episode. I'm not going to vlog throughout the day, I'm just going to do this video when I get home. But I'm probably not going to be able to fly it though, which is really annoying because it's going to be dark. So I'll have to do a sequel to it, test flights and whatnot. Next 2 days are going to be so good. For me, I mean, hopefully for you as well. I also forgot to mention that every store I went into was amazed that I have one on the way. I guess their stores don't get them for a long time. Glad I pre-ordered it now. I'm heading up to Maddie's. I think my grandma's there, so I'm gonna pop in and say hi before I head home. I think football got cancelled tonight, so I got a more relaxing evening. If I can, as long as I can make it there safely, I'll be okay. So I've seen a lot of people on YouTube recently who've, I don't know when, so when YouTube implemented the rule that you could no longer swear or create content that was not advertiser friendly. If you created content that wasn't advertiser friendly, that meant you couldn't monetize your videos. So when that big thing came out, I know a lot of YouTubers made videos and titled them deleting my channel or something like that, when they had no intention of deleting their channel. So when I was talking about this a little bit earlier, riding on my bike home, it was just kind of a thought that just came to me. But now that I'm home and actually looking at it to try and shove stuff into the video, I can't believe how many people have actually made videos about this. So I just googled shutting down my channel. I got 73,100 results. Like from top YouTubers as well. Like I'll show you this one, and this one, and this one. You know what? It's just too much. I'll just, like, this is the first page of results. Just clickbait, pure clickbait. Because tomorrow is going to be an unboxing, I was going to title this video stopping vlogging or no longer vlogging. Not that many people would care, but I just want to stay away from those kind of clickbait titles. That's completely unnecessary. Anyway, I don't have long before they leave, so I need to hurry up and go and meet them. Gotta put my foot down.
If you've been in a relationship for any kind of period of time, in this kind of century where Netflix is the common thing, you'll know that as one partner of the relationship, if you watch one of the episodes without watching it with the other person, you should be shunned. My fiance is terrible at this, so now I have to catch up. She's been forcing me to watch the new season of New Girl, like season 6 or something, which we binged watched horribly. The same as every other season on Netflix. So that's how the rest of my night's gonna go. Binge watching New Girl. How embarrassing. It's your fault, Shay. But that does mean that I get to relax. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for the unboxing and unwrapping of the Mavic Pro. I've decided that we need to redo our engagement photos because I can't have One Direction taking over the stage.